Good morning, students. So today we'll start Matrix Method of Structural Analysis, Module 1. In that session 1, I am Dr. Jyoti TK, Assistant Professor, Government Engineering College, Ramnagar. So, table of content is Introduction to Matrix Method. Matrix analysis is a systematic approach to the problem of analysis of large and complex structure with the help of computers. In the matrix analysis, a set of simultaneous equations are formed that describes the force deformation characteristics of the structure being investigated. Matrix analysis differs from other procedures in two basic ways. That is, how it is different from other method is we are using matrix algebra here to solve the problem. The above mentioned force deformation characteristics of the structure are obtained from discrete or fine element into which a structure has been divided. In matrix analysis, the force transformation deformation characteristic can be formulated using either forces or displacement as independent variable. So if we are using a flexibility method, there we use force as an independent variable, whereas in stiffness method we use displacement as independent variables. So it is matrix method of analysis can be broadly classified into flexibility method and stiffness method. So in flexibility method is also called as what force method, because here unknowns are forces, hence it is also called as a force method. And it is called as a static method since we are using equilibrium condition static, whether we'll find out whether the structure is statically determinate or not. So if it is an indeterminate structure, we'll make it statically determinate, and we'll remove the extra forces as redundant forces. Hence, this method is also called as what static method. It is also called as compatibility method because we use we make compatibility conditions to make the structure statically determinate by removing the redundant forces so that the displacement should be continuous. Hence, this method is also called as what compatibility method. Stiffness method, it is also called as what displacement method. It is also called as a displacement method because the here unknowns are displacement. It is also called as what kinematic method because we are going to find out kinematic indeterminacy here. Degree of freedom, we are going to find out in this method, hence it is also called as what kinematic method. And here equilibrium equations are used, hence it is also called as what equilibrium method. So force displacement, as I told you, in matrix analysis we have two methods. One is force method and one more is a displacement method. These methods are applicable to discretized structure of all types. So here in force method, as I told you in the previous slide, that it is also called as what flexibility method. Here the actions are primary unknowns, that is forces are the primary unknowns, and here static indeterminacy, that is excess of unknown actions than the available number of equations of static equilibrium are considered, makes the structure statically indeterminate. So displacement method or stiffness method. Displacements of the joints. In the force method, forces are considered as primary unknowns, whereas in displacement method, displacement at the joints are considered as primary unknowns. And here in force method, we use static indeterminacy, whereas in displacement method or stiffness method, we use kinematic indeterminacy, that is the number of independent translations and rotations, the unknown joint displacements. So here the unknowns are independent translation or rotation, and compared to force method, stiffness method is more suitable for computer programming because in force method the redundants can be moments or forces. So each individual can take different redundant, so it will be difficult to solve to do computer programming, but displacement method is comparatively suitable for computer programming. So this completes session 1. We'll continue in session 2. Thank you.